Hey guys, how are you? I hope you are doing well. So if you are a computer programmer, intermediate person, or you are an beginner computer programmer, so this video is for you. Uh, so please watch this video till the end. So let me start. I have something for you. First of all, I'm going to start a series on C and C++ basics for especially computer programming. We will start from the very basics of it and with some follow-up questions from CodeChef, Codeforces and HackerRank. Okay, so it will give you the basic idea how computer questions are going to be solved by C and C++. Okay, so what's new in this series? Actually, we will taught you C and C++ in the combined form, so you will get the grasp on both the languages at the same time. For intermediate computer programmers, I am coming with a dynamic programming series which will give you the easiest explanation ever to understand, okay, because it is a very difficult topic to understand. And before we going to start the dynamic programming series, I will just to tell you some basics of recursion, okay, because recursion is the mostly used in the top down form of the DP. Okay, so we will start from the very basics of the DP, and after that we will solve some at coders DP programming contest problems. Okay, so in at coder there are at least 25 I think questions, so it contains very much depth topics which is like 1D DP, 2D DP and grid based questions. Okay, and DP on trees, how we can apply DP on graphs. Okay, so we will do that. So I will also learn from this by making these videos. Okay, so please support me and let's grow together. Thank you for the watching this video, and please subscribe my channel. Thanks.